Intelligent building management and automation solutions. IoT is a network of connected devices and sensors. They collect and exchange data over wireless networks. In building management, IoT allows real-time monitoring and control of systems. The role of data analytics and predictive maintenance. A key benefit of IoT in building management is using data analytics. It helps with predictive maintenance. By analyzing past data and monitoring equipment in real time, building owners can find issues before they need costly repairs. This approach extends building systems' lifespan. It also reduces downtime and boosts efficiency. Connectivity and control systems in smart buildings. IoT-enabled building management relies on seamless connectivity. Devices and control systems must be connected. Automation solutions let building owners monitor and adjust settings remotely, anytime. This connectivity streamlines operations. It also allows real-time decisions for peak building performance. Energy management and efficiency. Building owners want to cut costs and reduce their impact on the planet. So, energy efficiency is a top priority. IoT technology can optimize energy use. It includes smart sensors, cloud computing, and smart building controls. By using these technologies, building owners can monitor energy use. They can find inefficiencies and optimize energy use. Sustainability and smart infrastructure. As smart cities and sustainability rise, building owners seek IoT for eco-friendly solutions. IoT technology is vital for creating energy-efficient buildings. It helps reduce their carbon footprint. It does this through indoor environmental quality monitoring and building performance optimization. By automating energy systems and using connected devices, building owners can be more sustainable. This will help create a greener future. Conclusion. In conclusion, IoT technology has changed how we manage and automate buildings. It offers great benefits for energy efficiency, sustainability, and operations. Advanced technologies and smart solutions can help building owners